Hi guys! Welcome to New Mommy's Gen channel. And today's video, it's going to be a bag raid time with my little girl, Selena. So, to all mothers out there who don't know me, I'm Miss Janeline Jamila, and I'm a mother of one with this little girl. So, I decided to do a nappy or diaper bag raid so that some mothers out there will be able to get some ideas of what bags they're going to use. As a first-time mom, it is quite confusing to choose which bag you can easily use for your baby. And this bag in front of me, I used this one since my little girl was newborn, and now she's 5 months old. And I'm still using this one because this bag is very super functional bag. So, sa mga mommies out there, especially to Philippines, I know there are a lot of bags in the market, but I will try to put the link below where you can purchase this one, because here in UK you can purchase this one through Amazon. And I will be showing you what's inside on my baby girl's nappy bag. So guys, what I love with this bag also is it's easy backpack. So you can just carry it in your back, and also there are a lot of compartments on this bag. So ang daming mga pockets here sa bag na to, and what I love with these also is there are 3 compartments here on the side in front of it. So 3 pouches. So pwede mong ilagay yung bottles ng iyong baby. So and meron din siyang insulated sa loob niya. So even though you're outside, yung baby bottles mo will still last for at least 2 to 4 hours when you're outside. And since I am breastfeeding the baby ko, I hardly use this one, but I use this for kasi nagngingipin na si baby, so I put her teething stuff here. So if I put that in the fridge, and then I'll just easily put it on the insulated pocket. And ang kagandahan din dito is you can also put yung wipes on the side sa pocket niya, and there's a zipper where you can just easily access yung wipes. So very accessible siya. And meron din siyang pocket at the back na you can just easily access yung mga things inside. Okay, so hindi siya social na bag. It's not a fancy bag where mommies will like this one probably, but I prefer this bag because yung asawa ko can also wear this one outside. Kasi yung asawa ko, obviously, he doesn't like girly bags. So, I rather use this one, and very handy. Tsaka marami siyang compartment, as I said, inside. Okay, mga mommies, tutulungan po ako ng baby ko to show you what's inside her nappy bags. Isn't it, Selena? So, can you show them what's inside in your bag? Okay, mommy. So, first, can you show them this blanket? So, I always have blanket with her when we are outside. So, in case kung windy or malamig, I always have this in case of emergency. Kasi dito sa UK, you cannot really tell the weather. Bago-bago po yung weather dito sa UK. So, I always have emergency blanket sa kanya. Okay, Selena, what's next? Can you tell them that you have toys also? And my baby loves this. This is actually good kasi pag nagingipin siya, she can just bite it. And she loves this one. Okay, baby girl. Okay, hold that one because we're gonna show them. And she loves this book also. Oh, she easily grabbed this book. So I always read books for my baby because it's good for them. So, laging nasa bag ko ang book na to. So, you play with that book. Okay. And I have a soft toys for her also to keep her entertained. This one. And meron po siyang maraming hats. So, meron siyang for summer hat. And in case kung malamig, meron din siyang malamig na hat. And also, si Lina, can you show them? She also have these bibs. Hi! Can you show them you have a bibs? Yay! She has bibs kasi po naglalaway po siya lagi. So, I always make sure na meron siyang at least mga 2 o 3 bibs sa bag niya. Okay? Can we hide them? Okay. And meron din po siyang actually shoes. Pero yung baby ko, sometimes she likes to wear shoes, sometimes she doesn't, and now she eats it. Selena. And also, meron po akong leggings. I make sure that I have at least mga 3 to 4 extra clothes for my baby kasi expected po na yung baby talagang messy kasi po pag nag-feed or nag-poo siya, so it is important na in case of emergency may pampalit po kayo. So, mommies, I also have a little towel sa kanya kasi pag nagbe-breastfeed po ako, sometimes I needed this one towel. And kasi, as a first-time mom, hindi pa po ako masyadong confident to show my breast outside. So, I bought this one. It's a nursing cover or breastfeeding cover. So, if you are in the public, you can also wear this one and cover your baby. It's very good. Para lang siyang scarf. And also, meron po akong, in case, medyas sa kanya. Okay? And I have like sunglasses here. Kasi it's summertime here sa UK. So, I have to wear sunglasses. And pasensya na po, makulit po yung anak ko. So, meron din po akong diaper sa kanya. Here sa bag ko, sa changing bag. At least mga 4 to 5 nappies. And then, meron akong dirty bags for the diaper sa kanya. So, I put it on a zip bag like this. Para organized lang siya. Isn't it, Selena? So, you play all the things there. Si Mommy is going to show. So, meron din siyang summer slipper or sandals. But she really don't like wearing sandals. She likes to kick this time a lot. So, minsan hindi ko na lang pinapasuot sa kanya. And she has a ribbon. Don't eat that shoes. And then you have this ribbon. Okay. And then, emergency po na jacket. Kasi, as I said, medyo malamig pa rin. Kahit summer po dito sa UK, it's still cold po for the baby. Siyempre, she needed like at least 2 or 3 layers pag malamig. So, I always have this jacket. And what else in our bag, Selena? And I have this for her. Another shoes, baby girl. And then this one, it's just a toy, just to keep entertained. And then, actually, yung bag na to, it also comes with a mat, like a changing mat, where you can use this one kung you needed to change your baby. So, it's easy. So, kasama na po ito siya sa bag. I hope I can find a link na for the mothers out there sa Philippines. I can send you a link para you can buy this one. At meron din po akong hand sanitizer kasi you know na meron po tayong coronavirus still at the moment. So, I always have this hand sanitizer with me to protect your baby wherever you go. And what else? Tissue. Ito po yung everyday bag ko. So, every time na go out kami ng husband ko or with my baby, I always have this bag. And it's always just here. So, sometimes, nire-refill ko lang yung diaper niya if I needed to. Pero most of her stuff are just inside of this bag. Pinapalit ko lang when depends sa weather dito sa UK. And what else I can show you? That's all I think inside. But I will show you po, marami po siyang compartment. Malaki po siya na bag. It's, I think mga, ilang pockets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. Kahit po you put like extra clothes, if yung mother po is breastfeeding, like me, I always put an extra tops or blouse, t-shirt. Kasi if I messed my t-shirt or blouse, I always have extra t-shirt. I exclusively breastfeed my baby, so I'm really happy that I was able to do that with her. At first, nahihirapan po ako. But now, she's a healthy baby girl, and I believe that breastfeeding is really good for your baby. Oh, how sweet of her. And I think that's all for today, mga mommies. And on my next video, me and my baby girl will tell you about yung story ko on my breastfeeding, and I will share your breastfeeding tips for my baby, and so that it will be able to help you, give you some ideas and tips to breastfeed. And I'm happy that as a first-time mom, I was able to provide my baby what she wants. And now, I can't believe that she's 5 months na. Ang bilis po ng panahon. I wanted her to enjoy most of my time with her. I'm still on maternity leave. And I wanted to get most of the time sa baby ko. And mommies out there, I hope you find this video, you enjoyed it, and you find this video helpful and interesting. And I will be doing more videos on my channel, so please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. And I will show you the link below, and hopefully I will be able to find a link for this bag para sa mga mommies on the Philippines, so you will able to purchase this one. And enjoy, guys. Bye.